guys, we're gonna move from this spot. We're gonna find another spot and just explore the town and see if we could find another place before the sun sets. How do these people live here? It's so cold. Day-to-day tasks, I could imagine they're not as easy. Even just trying to figure out a shortcut. Yeah, on the pellets. Which way should we go? It looks all really nice. There's a bridge there. Let's just cut down this way. Let's go this way. Greenland, the color of the house indicated its function or purpose. So the red color was mainly churches, trading, commercial buildings, or some government building. The yellow one indicated a hospital, clinic, or healthcare, and the green one was radio communication building, and the blue one was a fish factory, and the black one was a police station. Hey guys, you could do quite a lot in one day. It's not a big town, so you could pretty much see everything in a few days. Didn't record it, but I was walking past these people and I asked them, is there anywhere good with a view or anything else? They say just go straight ahead, about 2-3 minutes walk, there's something else there. So that's where we're walking to now. So yeah, let's see when we get there. Guys, I think they were talking about this view. So you see, for them it's normal, but for us coming from UK, this is a picture perfect. Okay, so I think this is not it. I think we've got to go up there. So guys, I think we've got to go up there. See these houses? I think these have been here for many years. Guys, I see this on everyone's video. I was wondering where this was. I just happened to run into it. Thanks to the locals. They guide me in the right direction. Yeah. Sun is setting soon, in about 20 minutes. Guys, we made it. We've done quite a lot today, guys. We could have done more, but I think this is nice. Just a recap for the day. We started off, I don't know if you remember that church. Above the church there was a hill. We went there. Second place, we went to that domes on another hill. Third place, we went all the way down to those stairs, went all the way to the end, and then went close to the backdrop where the mountains are. Thank you very much, guys, for being a part of the journey with me. Okay. So yeah, guys, thanks for being with me on my journey. And there's a lot more journeys to come. See you in the next one soon. Yes, people, it was a great day. We visited about 5 places in Greenland and enjoyed every moment of it. There's still so much more to see in Greenland. But for now, there's only one thing left to do, is head back to the accommodation and cook that seal meat we bought earlier. We are back at the accommodation and it's time to prepare tonight's meal. First I'll clean the seal meat, then I'll show you how we were going to cook it and what spices and ingredients we're going to add. So I bought this for 20 and I got that door for 50. That's how it looks. So here I am cleaning the seal meat by rinsing away the remaining blood. I am using cold water, gently working all over the sides of the meat to make sure it's clean before cooking it. And to wash this. So here I am starting the stew by adding water to the pot, then building the flavor with onions, garlic and ginger, a few cardamom seeds, going for the aroma, along with salt and pepper. Now I've got the heat on medium and I'm letting everything cook slowly. This helps the meat break down gradually and absorb all the flavors from the spices. Because this meat is very lean, it can turn chewy if it's undercooked. So I'm keeping the heat low to medium and letting it cook gently so it becomes tender. So now it's been about half an hour, I'll give it about 10 more minutes. Yes guys, here we go. We've got it on the plate. It's been cooking for about 45 to 50 minutes. Let's try this. Wow, it just breaks off. That's one sign of being cooked really well, so I've done a good job on cooking it. Does seem nice. Let's try it. It's actually nice. Maybe one more please. You know what? I'll have a bigger piece, guys. I know I might be hungry. My verdict. Slightly dry for a start, but it tastes like kidney. If you had lamb kidney or sheep, it tastes exactly like that. Just like kidney. But yeah, I'll actually finish this off, guys. This is actually nice. This is my dinner, by the way. Slightly dry. I could have used some sauce with this. This was one of the meat pieces that turned out to be some movie character face. I couldn't pinpoint which one it was. Thank you all for being part of this journey. It has been an incredible experience and I'm grateful to everyone who followed along and supported me. This chapter has come to an end, but the adventure doesn't stop here. So thank you all for everything and I'll see you on the next one.